Let me clear the way for my master.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed.
I can't lose, I'ma pass through if I have to. Teach them all like a classroom, If I want it, then I get it. Work hard, don't regret it, yeah I said it, Head down, I'm focused, you know this. They know this, show this, mind blowing. Keep going, showing, I'm growing, flowing and coasting. I'm owning, work hard, play hard, let the party start. Can't lose when I'm giving out bars, yeah, can't lose when I'm giving out art. Yeah, confused, man, it's just the start. I will not fucking lose, swear to God, pay my dues. Never lost in the views, and I'm not quitting soon. Never stop what I do, I'm the boss in the room. Selling stocks, make a move till the top, coming soon.
Initiate retreat!
I can't lose.
Initiate retreat!
Yeah, I can't lose.
Launch attack!
I ain't never slowing down, getting paid now, I'ma lay it down, I'ma say it loud, say it proud, never had a doubt. Every word out my mouth, every verb that I shout, I'ma act on it now, get it out. I gotta get it out now, I ain't losing no ground, I ain't losing no round, got no doubt. I'ma win it, no doubt, so just hand me the crown or go down for the count. No discount, cause this sound will hit now, hit loud, so this crowd can get down. This town's my bitch now, I'm rich now, sit down, listen up now, I'ma switch sound. I just wanna hit them with a little bit of rap trap, drop tops, I get not stop when I pop off, like a sawed off, flip flop, it's a lost cause, I get lost dogs, I'm hot like a crop top. I can't lose this.
Initiate retreat!
Yeah, I can't lose this.
Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain! Launch attack! Launch attack! Initiate retreat!
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that works the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
Initiate retreat! Launch attack! Launch attack!
Failure ain't an option, so
Launch attack!
nauseous. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop
Turtle
this.
resurrected
Until I'm
soon.
nauseous.
An ally
Cause
has
I will
been
not
slain.
quit. No, because
enemy
I want
has been
this.
slain.
Don't try to stop me.
An enemy has been slain.
So I be cautious.
Double
I
kill.
hope that you're watching.
Launch
Don't
attack.
try to stop this. Until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit.
Triple kill.
I want this.
Request
Try to
backup.
stop me now.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret.
Don't try to stop me.
Launch attack. Destroy the
Not for me.
turret.
I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I've learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up.
Initiate
It's time to
retreat.
trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
Until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit.
Initiate retreat. Killing
Don't try
spree.
to stop me now.
Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. Turtle resurrecting soon. Initiate retreat.
Failure ain't an
Launch
option,
attack.
so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this.
Initiate retreat.
Cause I will not quit.
Initiate retreat.
Cause I want this. Don't
Initiate
try to stop
retreat.
me now.
Request backup. An ally has slain the turtle.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
Our turret has been destroyed.
I swear to God I get it, man. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving I'm on it, never profit. Got the block lit, I'm toxic, spitting logic, make them nauseous, honest. Can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest, knock knock, bitch. Watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit, off topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the map, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, up and jack. While I rap, not to step, throwing jab, give a crap. Ripping bands, I'm the man. Gotta play it better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to die, that I'm right, yeah.
Working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Run, roll, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time, bad from my 9 to 5. Taking back my fucking life, I just wanna feel alive.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depth when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic, not my demographic. This